ang patunggungan niya.
Mario, let's hurry up to the market.
Sino sa'yo?
Yes, Gloria, just wait a minute. Is Tita ready?
Yes, he is. We're just waiting for you.
I'm sorry for making you wait so long.
It's okay. Now let's go, Tita. Yes, Mother. Mario, just wait for me here. I'll just buy some fish for our lunch. Take care of Tita, okay?
Okay, just wait.
I will be. Tita, don't stay away from your father, okay? Yes, Mother. Hey, little girl with the legs and apples. Father, Father, look! There's a lot of delicious apples. I want one, Father.
Oh, Tita, I would really like to buy one, but we don't have enough money. I'm sorry, but we can't afford it.
Hey, wait, sir, for the little girl. I'm willing to give this apple for free. I know how much you like it, so here you go, little girl.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Miss, for this delicious apple. I will save it for later. You're very welcome, little girl. I only bought two. My money was not enough to buy one of this. I see you got something here. An apple. A very kind beggar gives it for free. She's very kind, Father.
Yes, she is very kind.
Wow, did you take her properly? Yes, Mother. So let's go, Tita. Oh, it was really hot outside.
Yeah, yeah.
Mario!
Tita, are you okay?
Oh no, she's burning.
Don't worry, I'll buy her medicine. I will massage you. Get ready, Tata. Why not?
Okay.
Hey, I think it's lunchtime. Why don't we have a break and have lunch?
Yeah, come on, hang on. You're gonna have lunch with us. No thanks, I'm still full. Yeah, it's down around there. My daughter, Tita, is sick. I don't have the money to buy her medicine. Can you lend me some money? I'm very sorry, Mario. I would lend you help, but I have money enough. Oh, is that so? I'm sorry. So, yes, I'm sorry. So, let's not that. No thanks. So, kayo ang
Ayan mo. Eh, kasi hindi kuha eh. Kaya, ingay. Eh, wala ka. Sige, sige, sige. Wala rin ako music. Mamaya pa yan. Anong scene na yan? Ano?
I'm home.
So how was work?
This one's home.
She woke up earlier, but now she's asleep. What's that on your pocket?
Surprise for Tita.
Wow, I think Tita would really like it. Look, Tita, your father's a surprise for you. Really? What is his father? Show me.
Hold on, Tita.
Wow, an apple. Yeah, it really looks delicious. Why don't you take a bite?
Would you like it, Tita?
Yes, I love it, Father. Thank you very much. Mario, I'm really happy to see my daughter smile, and I thank you for doing that.
You're welcome.
Is there a problem?
Nothing.
Nakakabahan ako.
Good morning, everyone. Hey, Vincent. Why are you stairs?
You mean you don't know? Mr. Tuesday and me earlier.
What? Why is that? What? Are you serious? Yes.
Mario, Mr. Su wishes to see you in his office right now. He wants to talk to you. Here's Mario. Mr. Su wants to talk to you. Please come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Do you know why I'm here?
No, sir.
You're fired, sir. You're fired. You stole an apple.
Sir.
Guard, get Mario out of my sight.
Sir, please don't fire me. My family needs me. Officer, please let me out of here. My family needs me.
I'm sorry, but you have to stay here until morning.
Officer, please.
No, you can't.
Hey, you, wake up. Red dog now.
Hawakan mo nga.
Who is it? Is that you, Mario? Look, it's me, Sophia. Oh, Sophia, it's nice to have you.
Kung marunong ka,
Well, I was wondering.
kailangan mo yung zoom in, zoom out na.
And I know how much
Zoom in, zoom out.
Oh, you shouldn't have, but thank you for this apple. It's okay. So how's Lila? She feels better? Well, not much. She still suffers from my fever. But Mario said once he gets his salary, he'll buy her medicine. Are you sure he'll really use it to buy her medicine and not just come down to the sea? What do you mean? Well, you do know that it's a bad day before the doctor. He was, but he won't be again. I hope that my choice will be wasted. Of course, he's my husband. I know him very well. Because where's Gloria? Oh, I better get going. My daughter might be waiting for me. Bye. Be careful on your way home. Bye. Who is it? Is that you, Mario?
Yes, Gloria.
Oh, Mario, where have you been?
How's Lila?
She's fine. She ate her porridge earlier.
Oh, is that so?
Yes, so where's the medicine?
I'm sorry, Gloria, but I don't have the money.
What? But how?
I had a feeling with my friend and he spent every centavo.
But you don't look drunk to me. You don't even smell drunk.
Okay, I'm not drunk. Just don't ask what happened to the money.
But I'm your wife. I have the right to know where you spend the money.
I spent but nonsense things, okay?
But how could you, Mario? You know your daughter needs some of it.
Okay, I lost my job.
But what did you do?
Remember the apple?
Yes, I do. Don't tell me.
Yes, I stole it.
But why did you steal it? Look what happened.
I thought you were listen. Now you're scolding me.
But you know I shouldn't be happy about you stealing.
Don't worry, I found a new job instead. I will give someone tonight.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
Should I trust you with that?
Anybody home?
Wait a minute. I know that voice. I know it. It's you, Pablo.
Oh, Gloria, I just want to see my old friend Mario.
He doesn't want to see us, so go away.
Oh, Gloria, don't be so rude. Hey, Mario, I know you're there.
Stop it, Pablo. He doesn't need you.
Oh, sure he does. What is it, Pablo? Mario, old friend, how are you?
He doesn't want to talk to you.
Oh, Gloria, you know that I'm talking to my old friend, right?
I'm his wife, so I have the right to talk for you.
Gloria, let's go inside. What? You're gonna make me wait again? For how long?
Wait a minute. Don't let me sing each other again. Answer me, Mario. Answer me.
Why won't you tell her, Mario, that you no longer believe in the way that she wanted you to live?
No, Mario, you can't. I trusted you when you told me to find a new job, and now this.
but you have to understand, nothing changed.
No, Mario can. Honor what? Let us live a life without you.
Why would you ask him? Pablo, wait for me outside. Okay.
Mario, you're not coming with me, right?
I'm sorry, Gerda. Doesn't you took care of our daughter?
No, Mario.
Don't worry about it. Adi, fine. Let me go home. Let me go
No,
home.
Mario, Mario. Taya, Taya, open the door quick. What is it, Sophia? Why are you in a rush? Your husband, he's on TV. He and Pablo are behind our stage ready. And if they will not surrender to the police, soon they will be shot. What? I want to see my husband. I want to go there. Let's go. Father, where are you going? I'll just be going out. I'll come home soon. But Father, I want to go with you. Stay in the house now.
Hindi mo na yan, please.
You're surrounded, so you better give up. Your friend is already dead. Don't let her shoot you also.
I will surrender. If you try to shoot me, I will kill her first. You will never ask her choice.
No!
No, no, no. Let go of me.
Oh my God.
Father, don't leave me.
I shouldn't have left. Nothing of this will happen if I only listen to you. Now, Tita is alone. And this is all my fault. I'm sorry, Gloria. I promise, once I said get out of the jail, I will never be a bad guy anymore.